I'm a Neo4j senior consultant at GraphAware. So we are a primary Neo4j consulting company based in London. I'm working with Neo4j since 4 years now. It's been quite a long time. At the time, Cypher didn't exist. Yeah, so it became a passion now more than a job. So it is really Neo4j passion. So one of our last projects was providing recommendations for holiday house accommodations. So we went there 2 weeks in the first phase, which was quite interesting because in 2 weeks we could go from zero to production with a recommendation engine. And then we came back for fine-tuning algorithms changes based on the data they already gathered. So it was very interesting. We do a lot of natural language processing right now with Neo4j, and a lot of Elasticsearch integration. So for providing what we call graph-aided search. So you can, during query time with Elastic, boost and add relevancy based on the user graph, for example. So some big clients are using it, like Airbnb, for example. So cool. Okay. Interesting stories are, well, it's more the fast to production because you can really go fast compared to other database, for example. Also the flexibility of change because sometimes the clients are not really sure what they will really want at the end. That's our job primarily, but requirements we know change over time. So we also have this flexibility with Neo4j, and currently I don't see any work done without Neo4j right now. So we have an increased amount of customers, which is quite good. So yeah, we can really go fast to production with Neo4j. I mean, I fell in love immediately with Neo4j because at that time I was working on a DNA project for dog genealogy, and with traditional database I was really struggling. I even in the beginning didn't know how to model my data. So I don't really have answers to how to do things differently. We did things, and yeah, I mean, it's experience who went up, but yeah, it is a lot of learning on that side. You cannot go against experience, I think. So we did an interesting project this last week, which we presented yesterday at the hackathon, for example. So we do a lot of computation with Apache Spark, for example. And actually, you can now run Apache Spark process from within Cypher, so which is really cool. So we created a procedure who is actually dispatching, triggering Apache Spark process over a Spark cluster. So your Neo4j JVM keeps quiet, and all the computation is outside of your main database, and then it writes back automatically to Neo4j. And it is an interesting aspect of our future work that we're going to do. So it is Apache Spark integration a lot.